diluting the water now.
Ready? Okay. Yeah, I wrote down the description on the Jasper. That's actually pretty low.
Yeah, it's really clear. Ready for titration. Experiment is to determine the effect of sulfuric acid on the health of an aquatic ecosystem. And we are doing that by measuring the amount of dissolved oxygen present in relation to the amount of sulfuric acid we put in each bottle. And the purpose of titrating is to determine the amount of dissolved oxygen in each bottle. We have 5 different concentrations. We have 0 molar, 0.001 molar, 0.01 molar, 0.05 molar, and 0.1 molar. And in titrating, gross and net productivity. So Elena, can you explain how the titration process works?
Yeah. So you start off with a bottle like this that's green, it's been left under. And what you do is you add 8 drops of magnanimous sulfate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 8 drops of alkaline potassium. And I remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, it creates this really cloudy precipitate, which you have to mix it all up so that the whole bottle gets this kind of cloudy color, and then the whole bottle gets this kind of cloudy color, and then you let that sit until this cloudy stuff settles down to be below the shoulder. And then you add sulfate like Toledo is doing, or sulfamic acid, I'm sorry. And that turns this cloudy stuff into a more clear color, which you can see in there, or it turns into something like this.
Depending on
The concentration levels.
we see a difference in the colors and the precipitate that forms.
Yeah. The more sulfuric acid we added, the less cloud you get. So just wait for it to settle a little bit. At which point you would take this and pour it in this.
Depending on
The concentration levels.
we see a difference in the colors and the precipitate that forms.
Yeah. The more sulfuric acid we added, the less cloud you get. So just wait for it to settle a little bit. At which point you would take this and pour it into one of these bottles. And then you use thiosulfate to turn this dark color to a light yellow. Then you add starch indicator, 8 drops of it, to turn it this blue color. Then you use the rest of your however many drops it takes to turn it clear, like these. And then you're done titrating. And all you do is have to read how much thiosulfate you used, and you can get your dissolved oxygen levels.
Yep.